Unveiling Slang. What does muffin top mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we demystify the English language for you. In today's video, we're going to explore a phrase that's as quirky as it is popular, muffin top. Stick around to learn about where this phrase comes from, what it means, and how to use it in a sentence. Let's get started. The term muffin top actually comes from a visual comparison. Think about what a muffin looks like when it's baked in a muffin tin. The top part often spills over the edge, creating a sort of overhang. In a humorous and slightly cheeky way, this visual became linked to how the waistline of someone's pants might look. Now, let's dive into the meaning. A muffin top refers to the bulge of flesh that spills over the waistband of pants or skirts. This usually happens when the clothing is too tight, or when the person's body shape naturally distributes more flesh around the midsection. It's important to note that while the term is widely used, it should be used with sensitivity, as it can be seen as a derogatory comment about someone's body shape. Let's look at how you can use this phrase. You might hear it in casual conversation, but remember, it's not usually considered polite to comment on someone else's body. So, in our examples, we'll focus on self-reference or neutral contexts. I need to buy new jeans. These give me a muffin top. These low-rise pants are notorious for creating a muffin top effect. It's also worth talking about the cultural context. Muffin top is a phrase that reflects society's attention to body image and can be found in discussions about fashion and fitness. The phrase has been used in various media, from movies to television shows, often in a comedic or self-deprecating manner. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase muffin top and how it fits into everyday English. Remember, language is not only a tool for communication but also a reflection of our culture and times. Keep learning, and don't forget to laugh at the quirks of English along the way. See you in the next video.